Hi everyone, it's Kylie Malcom here, and I am the founder of wellpreneurial.com. I help health and wellness entrepreneurs build their business online. So I'm here because I've been invited as a mentor for the Invanto system, and I could not be happier. My focus is predominantly around helping health, fitness, and wellness entrepreneurs build their business with technology, using strategy, and pretty much with a little bit of tech goddess thrown in there and sprinkled along the way. A lot of people know me as the fairy godmother to the health and wellness industry because I have a tendency to wave my magic wand around and make things happen by magic. So I'm here to help you and guide you on your journey in your entrepreneurial life, whether it be with technology and learning how all the pieces fit together. So what system you can use with what, and how you can pretty much join systems together so that you can have your landing page over on WordPress and have your Invanto system managing your membership sites or your shopfront. So I help with the strategy and the guidance and technical support so that you're able to implement a business that is strategic to you, because you've got to remember there is no one size fits all solution when it comes to actually setting up your business online. And it's just like a business plan, right? There is no two business plans alike. Every business is unique, and so is the setup. So keep that in mind. I'm here to help you. If you have any questions at all, always feel free to get in touch with me because I am an open book. I'm here to help you ask questions, answer questions. I'm here to dig deep into the back end of your business so that you are set up for success. All right, so get in touch with me. I'm here to support you on your Invanto journey, and I will be here waiting. Again, my name is Kylie Malcom. I am the founder of wellpreneurial.com. I can't wait to chat very soon.